Tell us about your club. Tell us about what you do. Why you like it. Who wants to be the spokesperson? All right, well, on American Main Street today, we have the FFA from Trimble County High School. Hey, everybody, how you doing?
Hi,
Hey, what do you think of the weather today?
pretty cloudy.
Pretty cloudy, isn't
A
it?
little chilly.
It's cold.
And what, mid-60s?
Yeah.
All right, tell me who you are. If you want to name yourselves, everybody, that's fine. If you want to say what you're doing today here, any upcoming events that you might be doing, charity drives, donation drives, whatever. Just let it go.
Well, I'm Trevor Lyle. I'm the president of the chapter. Today we are here selling t-shirts, stickers, keychains, our mums.
Trimble County FFA teaches us leadership skills and communication skills, and we all do this for this community. And today we're selling Cultivating Hope for breast cancer awareness. And come on down, place your order. We would love to see your faces.
Are you guys going to be here tomorrow too?
Yes.
Anybody else?
I'm Kaylee Enos. I'm our treasurer. We have a FFA line dance coming up. What day is that? November 22nd.
November 22nd. Where at?
And then we got chili cook-off.
And we have the chili cook-off on November 15th. That's a big hit.
It's gonna be out at the old middle school in Milton, Kentucky.
Anything
Sound
else?
like you have a lot of stuff coming up. I hope you do well with it.
Thank
If you weren't line dancing with that buckle, I'd be surprised. I didn't wear mine today because I got several of my own, lots of boots.
We're also going to be having a turkey shoot in Trimble County with the alumni, and it is to help support us to get a van.
Yeah.
The high school needs a van?
Trimble County
County
FFA.
FFA van.
Okay.
We go on a lot of trips and we do a lot of
Field
things
trip.
outside of the school, so we need something for transportation.
Oh, good.
Pulling for
I
life
love that
skills.
promotion. I love that.